In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search salary by job title on Glassdoor. If you're exploring a new role, negotiating an offer, or just curious, Glassdoor makes it easy to check typical pay with just a few clicks. Start by opening your web browser and heading to glassdoor.com. Any modern browser will do. Once the homepage loads, look for the top navigation bar and click Salaries. This section is dedicated to compensation insights gathered from employees and employers, so it's the most direct way to get the numbers you need. Next, use the search bar to type the job title you're interested in. For example, you might enter software engineer, marketing manager, or registered nurse. Be as specific as you like. Picking a clear title helps produce cleaner results. Right beside the title, you'll see an option to add a location. Enter a city or region to see location-specific salaries. If you leave it blank, Glassdoor will show broader results across regions, which is helpful if you're still deciding where to work or comparing markets. Before we continue, a quick note. I've placed a direct link to Glassdoor at the very top of the description so you can open it instantly. If you prefer using your phone, you'll also find the official app download link there. After you run the search, you'll land on a results page that includes salary ranges, average pay, and sometimes bonuses for that job title. You can usually see base pay and additional pay estimates and how they stack up at a glance. Take a moment to scan the chart or list, then click any individual salary entry to dive deeper. There, you'll find details like the specific company and the reported years of experience, which can help you interpret why one number might be higher or lower than another. To fine-tune what you're seeing, use the available filters. Narrow by experience level or industry to make the estimates more relevant to your background. A junior role in healthcare, for example, can look very different from a senior role in tech. And these filters help capture those nuances so you're not comparing apples to oranges. And that's it. Open Glassdoor, go to the salaries section, enter your job title and an optional location, explore the results, click into entries for more details, and refine with filters to get a sharper picture. Use these insights to set realistic expectations, identify strong offers, and plan your next move with confidence. Thanks for watching.